Hello friends and welcome back. Today is day one of trying to clean up this messy farm. There's lots to do, and I think the best way to tackle this before becoming totally overwhelmed is to cut the property into different sections and then work one section at a time. Let's start with the weed whacker. I haven't used the weed whacker in quite some time because I do live in Vegas and there's not much grass, but I don't remember it being that hard to start. And there's the issue. While I did fill up the gas tank before I started, I must have closed it properly and the gas leaked out. So now, great, I have gas somewhere in the grass and I have to refill the tank. But now I should be able to get that thing started. Almost. And there we go, finally. Whew, let the cutting begin. Alright, I'm noticing quickly that this just isn't enough. I need something bigger, more powerful. And this is my Toro 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. It's called the Recycler. This should help me a bit to fight through this tall grass. Yeah, this is still not cutting it. Yeah, no, that thing is actually not doing anything. This is just making it worse. This lawnmower is not made for this grass. I need something bigger, more powerful, and I think I have just the right thing. Now that's what I call a lawnmower, one powerful engine. And this is my newest addition to the farm, my Bad Boy Elite CT. I think I'm gonna have to get a sticker for the back to make it a bad girl. This machine has a 60-inch deck and should destroy anything that comes in its way. Cutting grass should be a breeze. And it purrs like a kitten. So, what do you say? Let's take it on a spin. Doesn't sound like a Ferrari, but it is the sound of joy. The lawnmower did an amazing job taking care of the high, thick grass. However, this is how far I can go since I found a bunch of trash scattered through the area and I do not want to mess up the blades. I mean, is it really a surprise that I find more trash? Now I have to go get another tool to help me remove the trash out of the area before I can cut the rest of the grass. Now I'm gonna give my bad boy a quick rinse to keep him nice and sparkly, and then I head out to get a new, more powerful machine. As you can see, a bunch of grass that was tossed up got caught on the deck, but it's super easy to rinse off. One of the features I really like about the mower is that you can easily access all the belts for maintenance with an easy pull-up of the floorboard. That also makes for an easy rinse. One of the features that I did not mention yet was the upgrade to a tow hitch. This allows me to tow my cart around the property. Now it's time to head to town to see if I can find a more powerful machine to help me clean up the land. Is the thing even street legal? Well, let's see how far I can get. See you next Friday. Tschüss!